Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you are playing Ultimate Car Driving Simulator 2, I have a special tutorial for you guys today. Today I'm going to show you how I got a mod, and which is totally insane guys, and it works with both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just going to open immediately my game so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I will show you everything you need to know in order to get it, if you want to get it, of course. This mod, as I mentioned before, works for the both devices. It's going to be the same steps for the both devices, guys. As you can see right over here, I'm generating so many gems and cash, and I'm going to show you that how you can do it also, you guys. All right, so it's pretty simple and pretty easy. You just need to pay attention, guys. Watch this video to until the end. Share it with your friends, if they are playing this game, of course. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you're gonna find it helpful and useful. All right, so now all we have to do, guys, we need to make few changes in the settings. If you are using an iOS device, if you are using an Android device, you can skip this part of the tutorial. So for the iOS users, you just need to go to your settings, guys, and then go here to general, and then you have this option background up refresh on the top again, and then you have Wi-Fi and mobile data. So you just need to select this one, so the whole process will not interrupt because of internet connection. Like this, you're gonna be connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data, and this is important, guys. Okay, so the whole process doesn't fail. The second step, you just have to get back to your settings and then go down to this option App Store, and then you have this automatic downloads. You need to make sure you keep it on. All right, if it is switch it off, keep it on, so the whole process to go automatically, to be done automatically. Okay, so these steps are required just for the iOS users, guys. For the Android user, there is no need. The whole process will be done automatically for Android. So guys, the next step, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser and you have to go and search about this website where I find it, the mod. It's called Find APK Mods. All right, so 1 second. Here we are. So here you're gonna find a lot of other apps, a lot of other mods and games and so on. You can check later if you're interested in anything else. You can just go and search in the searching bar. It's easy. Okay, here it comes. Press in the middle and then install, and just wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done. And by the end of this process, you're gonna be able to get the mod, guys, and generate the gems and coins same as me. So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to press the like button.